Hello, teacher. Teacher, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, Anna. Hello.
Now,
Good evening. Anna, my dear, how was your Christmas Eve? Did you celebrate Christmas?
mm,
No.
mm,
Then,
I want to celebrate it,
great.
but my friends are busy.
Your friends were busy.
Yeah.
They were busy, honey. I see. Did you receive
But
gifts?
and
Did you receive gifts, honey, from your friends?
no. Mm,
How about mommy and daddy?
yes.
Whoa! What were the gifts that you received?
Huh?
What were uh, what were the gifts that you received from mommy and daddy, honey?
It's a color and a Barbie.
Barbie! Wow! You know what? I had a lot of Barbie collections when I was a kid, honey. Barbie was my favorite character of all time. Yeah, so you watch Barbie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Honey. Yeah, have you eaten dinner, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you have for dinner?
I have meat.
I had. I had meat. Okay. So yeah, how about this coming New Year, honey? Yeah, how about the New Year? Are you going to celebrate the New Year's Eve with your
Hmm,
family?
I don't know.
You don't know yet. Okay, maybe. Anyway, honey, but you have Tet holiday, right? Tet holiday is the most special one, right?
Yeah.
That is the most special one. You don't even have a school day during that time. You don't yeah. It's actually even a holiday. So anyway, honey, the time has been 3 minutes already. So teacher is going to share the screen now, and we're going to continue with our lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So I have eaten dinner also, honey. I ate a lot for dinner tonight, or I mean this evening. Okay, so we have here, honey, this one. You're going to find the difference. Okay? You will
Wow,
be,
easy.
it's so easy, yeah. This one will be yours. This one will be yours, and this will be teacher's photos. Okay? So for example,
Oh,
teacher says first, in my picture, there are two trees. In you, how about you, honey? But in my picture,
there are three.
okay, now you're going to go first, okay? You go first.
In my picture, the the police is wearing a gray uniform.
Very good, perfect. But in my picture, the police is wearing a blue uniform.
In
What?
my pictures,
You encircle it, honey.
yes. In my picture, the man is wearing a brown hat.
But in my picture, the man is wearing a green hat. Your turn.
In my pictures,
Mhm.
the wall is brown and pink.
The ground or the
The
floor,
wall.
the floor. Honey, this one is the wall. This one is the wall, this part right here. This one is the floor.
I know.
Ah, okay. So, in picture 1, the floor
Is the floor is brown.
yeah, but in my picture, the floor is light. Is white. Okay.
Oh,
Next one, honey.
in my picture, let me see. Else. Oh,
Oh, that's fine.
sorry.
Okay.
I have one bird.
Again, one more time. In my picture,
In my picture, there one
there
bird.
there is
There
one.
is one bird.
Very good. But in my picture, there are 2 birds.
It
Yeah. Okay.
is 10. Is 10:35.
Okay. In my picture, the time is one more time.
In my picture, the time is 10:25.
But in my picture, the time is 11:25.
In my picture, the boy who is sitting in the
Where, honey?
back eating bananas, but
Ah,
the
okay.
man,
But in
but
in but in
man, but the man is not eating bananas.
okay, very good, honey. But in my picture, the boy is sitting in it and it's not eating a banana, but the man is eating the banana.
Oh, okay. Mm.
What else, honey? There are still, I think.
There's still.
Yes. Yeah, there's still one, I think. What is it? You must find it. Where is it? Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da.
Don't have.
Hmm? Look. 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 That one. That one. Okay,
Oh,
in my picture,
in my picture, the ground is mild
hmm?
and
Honey, look at the bird. The bird.
uh,
Da-da-da-da-dun, dun, da-da-da-da-dun. In my picture, okay, teacher's going to say it first, okay? In my
okay.
picture, the grandpa has a mustache.
But in my picture, the grandpa is eating half a
The
part
grandpa,
is having
the grandpa doesn't have, honey,
the grandpa doesn't
have a mustache, but he has a beard. I'm sorry, honey, beard. But he has a beard. Okay? In your picture, honey, the grandpa has a beard. But for me, honey, the grandpa doesn't have a beard, but he has a mustache. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Let's have the next page. Oops. Hold on. Doesn't have. Okay, let's have the chit chat part, my dear. Now we're going to talk about holidays. We are going to talk about the holidays, honey. Now, let's start with question number 1. Where did you go on your last holiday? Where did you go on your last holiday?
I go to
Honey, last time. What's the past tense of go?
I
Went to.
went
Where? Honey, for me, I went to the other town, to a faraway town last holiday. How about you? Where did you go? You
I
say, I
go to
went
the
to.
beach. I went to the beach.
Honey, it happened already, so you're going to use went instead of go, okay? Because we're talking about holiday. The beach last holiday. So instead of saying, I go to the beach last holiday, honey, I'm going to write it down here, my dear. Here, I go to the beach last holiday. You say, I went to the beach, the beach last holiday. Dun, da, da, da. Okay? Okay, honey? Can you say it again one more time? I went to
I went to
the
the
beach
beach
last holiday.
last holiday.
Very good. Okay, now let's have number 2. Who did you go there with? I mean, who did you go with?
What?
For me, honey, I went to a very, very far away town last holiday with my family, with my mom, with my baby, and my husband. And how about you? Who did you go there with? Very good. I went. Can you say it, honey?
I went with my family.
Very good. Number 3. How did you travel there? How did you travel there? Are you writing it, honey?
Yes.
Okay. By car?
Yes.
Honey, traveled. Because we're talking about the last holiday. So what is the past tense of travel? So it is traveled. So instead of saying I travel by car, you say I traveled by
I
car.
traveled by car.
Yes, that is it. I traveled with car. Okay?
Traveled.
Okay, can you say it again one more time, honey? I traveled by car.
I travel by car.
Great. Okay. Wait for a while. I travel by car. Okay. Next one, honey. Number 4. What did you do on your holiday, honey? What did you do to the beach? I mean, on the beach. What did you do there? Very good. I swam. Again, one more time, honey. Can you read it?
Swam. I was swam in the beach.
Very good. What was the best thing about your holiday, honey? What was the best thing about your holiday? Me, the best thing that happened to me during my holiday, honey, was I took a lot of pictures with my family, honey. Yeah, that's the best thing that happened to me during that holiday trip. How about you? What did you do? I mean, what was the best thing that you did during that holiday? Are you writing it, honey?
Yes.
You had a present,
I
honey?
was a a bracelet.
A bracelet. Oh. Okay, honey. Instead of saying I was have a bracelet, honey, you say I had a bracelet.
I had a bracelet.
Yes. Okay.
I have a
Wow.
box of bracelets.
Really? That's
Yes.
really a lot. Who gave it to you?
My mom.
Oh, your mom gave it to you. Wow. Is it still okay now, honey? Do you still have it?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So you love bracelets, honey. You like bracelets.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Let's go to the next one. Here, we have here the extra flyers level ideas. Let's start with question number 1. Do you prefer holidays, honey, in the mountains or at the beach? And explain why. Which one do you Prefer? Holidays in the mountains or at the beach? Which one do you like more? Honey, are you writing it?
Yes.
Okay. You also say, honey, I prefer to go to the beach because honey, you can just say it, my dear. Which one do you like the most? Going going on holidays in the mountains or at the beach? You can just say it. It's okay. I
I
prefer.
mm, I like in the mountain.
Oh, you say I prefer going in the mountains
Mountain.
for during holidays because why, honey? Why is it?
Because I like to go south.
Because you like to go to the Sapa. Ah, Sapa, honey. I will search that one, okay? Sapa. Sapa, Vietnam. Ah, yeah. This is so nice. It is very nice. You have rice terraces. It is so. Have you been here, honey, for a lot of times already?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's so nice. It's so beautiful. Is it cold here, honey? I think it's cold here. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, I see, honey. Okay. Anyway, my dear, let's have this. What do you usually pack for a holiday? What do you
I don't
usually
know.
pack? Honey, what do you bring when you go to the beach or to the mountains? What do you usually bring? Me, I
I
bring
don't.
food, clothes, water,
Wow.
hygiene kits.
It's
How about
nice.
you?
I don't know.
Try to think. Okay, try to think. What if your family's going to the beach? Let's just say your family's going to the beach during the holiday next week. What are you going to grab? What are the things that you're going to bring with you during that for your holiday? Are you going to bring food? Bring
Yes,
water
I
with
going
you?
to bring food
What else?
and
Clothes
yes,
and snacks?
yeah,
Of
and
course. What is the most important thing that you're going to bring, honey? Me, I think I'm going to bring my phone. This one is very important. How about you? What's the most important thing that you're going to bring?
iPad.
Hmm? iPad?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. All right, honey. Last question. Where would you like to go on your next holiday?
Want to go Sapa.
Oh, you would still like to go to Sapa. You say, I still want to go to Sapa. Can you say
I
it?
still want to go to Sapa.
Very good. I still want to go to Sapa. Great job, honey. So we are already done with this material, my dear, and we still have 3 minutes left. So teacher's going to share the other one, and let's have this one. For this material, honey, this is the speaking to information exchange. We're going to exchange some informations, my dear. So in this part, honey, you and teacher will both have some information about two different people or places. But there is some missing pieces. You need to ask and answer questions to find the missing information. Here. So, for this part, honey, teacher's going to ask you questions. Okay? And you're going to answer me. Okay, Anna?
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
let's start. This one will be your prompt card, and we're talking here about Mary's holiday. So the name of this girl is? What's the name of this girl?
Mary.
Mary. Yeah, she is Mary. Now let's have the first one. Where will Mary go for her holiday? Mary will go.
Mary go to the beach.
Okay, very good. Who is she going with, honey? Who is she going with?
She going with.
She's going with.
She going with. Her grandparents.
Very good. How long is she going to have her holiday?
2 weeks.
Again?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. I see. You say she will have a vacation for 2 weeks. Again, honey, say it. She will have a vacation for 2 weeks.
She will have a vacation for 2 weeks.
Okay, so we're going to continue this one next meeting, honey. We're going to go back. Teacher's going to ask you the questions again next meeting, next week, okay? Since we don't have enough time, teacher's going to say goodbye now. Anna, you did so well. And you just have to remember the past tense of go, which is went, honey. Travel, which will be traveled. Okay? Thank you so much, honey. Love you, Anna. Good night. Mwah.